Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, karibu sana. Today I'm going to share with you an interesting episode on how to make tasty mandazi at home. And as you can see, my ingredients are here. This is my flour. I am using self-raising flour. You can as well as use mandazi flour, or you can use eggs flour and add baking powder. This is my cardamom spice that I'm going to use, sugar, 2 eggs, melted butter, and I'm going to use mala. And this is the type of mala that I'm using today. So now let me combine my ingredients, the wet ingredients, and then I pour them on my dry ingredients. Here is my measuring jug. So I'm going to pour the wet ingredients inside. I'm now going to mix these wet ingredients using this fork. Now I'm going to combine all my dry ingredients together. Here is my combined dry ingredients. Now I'm going to pour my wet ingredients. As you can see, my dough is very soft. That's how I like my dough. Now I am going to use just a little bit of oil. I apply it on my dough before I let it set for 30 minutes. My dough is ready. I'm going to let it set for about 30 minutes before I start making my mandazi. This is my dough after 30 minutes, and this is how it looks like. As I said, I like kneading very soft dough. I have just rolled my dough into small balls, and I'm going to pick this one ball, roll it, and cut it into 4 pieces. Now I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces. Now I am going to deep fry my mandazi. You have to keep on turning your mandazi so that they can cook evenly. Now this is how brown I would like mandazi to be. Actually, the reason as to why you need to put margarine in your mandazi, it's because it sucks the cooking oil so that your mandazi may be very dry, not having any cooking oil after you have cooked them. I am done cooking mandazi, and as you can see, here is our mandazi.